All right, guys, here's the revenue build tab right here. It's got each one of the departments. Plumbing service, plumbing install, HVAC service, HVAC install, electrical service, electrical install, drumming or drain service, and sewer install, and then service, if you got another name for it. I don't think any of you had 9 departments, but I'm throwing them all out there because I'm covering 9 departments on this. So this is just a quick video to show you, estimated calls, conversion rate, and then your average sale. The estimated sales calls, this is, I'm going to pause this just for sorry for pausing that, but there was a great baseball. I got the ball game on, and it was a great show. I had to see it. Anyways, this is a tool for you guys to use, and I use this as a weekly basis tool for each one of my department managers. So say, okay, what's our estimated sales calls? How many calls are we going to get? When I say sales calls, they're service calls. Okay, how many are there? What's our conversion rate going to look like? What's our average sale going to look like? So we're setting that up ahead of time in their heads. So basically, I just tested this out with one, but let's just say you've got 5 techs and they're going to run 3 calls a day. That's 15 calls times 5, that's 75 calls. So we're going to have an estimated number of calls of 75. And then what is our conversion rate going to be on that? Let's just say it's 66%. Oops. Hit the wrong tab. I did. Yeah. So right here, 66.6%, I guess. And that means I've got 50 calls out of the 75 we're expected to get money calls. And then what's our average sale on this? So I don't know what you need to figure out what your average sale is, plug it in there. And this way it gives you a target, okay, every week, every department. So you have something tangible to show with your managers, with your technicians. This is what we're looking for. And go down this with every department that you actually have. Now I've got all the departments here, and nobody here has all these departments, but this is how you use this, and you do this as a weekly basis with your team. Okay, this is how many calls we're going to get, estimated calls we're going to get. We're not going to get them all. Nobody's got 100%, but 67% is something we should be shooting for, especially on the plumbing side. Okay, now HVAC, we could be generating sales calls from their calls too. So you got to determine how many calls are we going to get on the HVAC side. Let's just say it's 75 again over here for this department, but maybe it's only going to be a 50% conversion rate because we're going to have more leads coming over from the service department over here to the installation department. So we need to figure out, okay, how many leads will we have? This is something to get your mindset, your team's mindset of what's important to them. Okay. Calls we're going to run. What is our conversion rate going to be? I want them to know that they have to convert. And the average sale, what does that look like? Okay. So these are things that I think is very important for your frontline people to understand. This is how the game is played. We get the calls, we convert the calls, we get an average sale. Okay. And that'll give us our revenue. Now, this isn't talking anything about sold hours here. Okay. That'll come. But right now, we're just talking about revenue on this piece. Okay. Thank you.